My wife and I just got this tiny home. Now it's time to fix it.
Woo!
Behold.
There she is.
Tiny home. It's a she.
Yeah. Duh.
There's many reasons why we made this purchase. Today,
Yeah, let's just start with what we got.
show you all the pieces on the property and more or less what we're going to do with them.
Yeah, we're excited.
Whoa. No way. So to start off, we have this beautiful garage. The cabin's right there, or the tiny home's right there. So garage is at the front of the property here. It's an old garage.
It is an old garage.
It is a weathered garage.
It is a weathered garage. I think it was actually first on the property before the tiny home.
We're going to completely rebuild it. To strip it down to its underwear, framing.
Really expose it.
And then we're going to redress it.
Yes.
Look at the view as well from the garage that you will
see
get.
those mountains?
It's going to be really nice for...
It would be really pretty. This right here, we're going to call it the Nook.
Behold, the Nook.
Going to have a lot of special things in it. I'm really excited to make it a moment on this property. Probably one of the top reasons we got this entire space.
Whoever built this to start with did a great job, but they didn't finish.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the wood on here is actually from this property, which is pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Came from this dirt.
Anyways, we're excited to show it to you guys.
So as we're walking towards the tiny home, that's the Nook right there in reference to it. I want to show you guys this little jewel.
This special moment.
You guys want to see inside? Whoever did this enjoyed this.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Looks like the mice have gotten to it.
What is the book? Supremely satisfying.
Bathroom reader. And they even got some soap there. It's going by. Goodbye.
Before we show you the tiny home itself, I want to talk about this little spot right here.
Misha's project. Top secret.
But what I can say is that this is something that I've never done before.
But will be very cool.
It could or could not be a pool.
It's not a pool.
It could.
Okay. It's going to be a very good
going
project.
To push the limits of what we are able to do. And
an
it's
outdoor
going to
project.
Involve some awesome people helping us do it.
That is true. That is a fact.
So last but not least,
the tiny home. The tiny home.
The
It won't
tiny
be
home
the
itself.
tiny home. She'll have a name eventually.
It's a she.
It is a she.
It's a she.
Yeah,
it's 275 square feet, which is firmly makes it a tiny home.
Sure. It has a bathroom, has a little kitchen, and a space. That's all you need. That's all you need in your home.
You will have somewhere to rest your head on. But so all these things that we showed is just a corner of this property. In general.
Yeah. The tiny home actually sits on 8 acres. We're focusing on where the tiny home is for now.
We have bigger plans for the rest of the property. But we have to fix up this little nook of the property in order to just kind of just set this up and work with what we have. And then we can start to do some serious leaf blowing. We have to do some serious pruning. And we just got to start picking up garbage.
Open it up, see what we're working with.
There's just a bunch of stuff and piles everywhere. So we're just going to clean everything up and then start from scratch.
Yeah, let's just get to it. Let's get to it.
So we're going to start by cleaning up all the loose garbage that's left here. And we do have Brendan and Brody from BRB Property Management helping us out. They are for hire if you guys are looking for some hands. So here's something that's a great idea, but an absolutely awful execution. They have this beautiful piece of wood here that looks like they were going to air dry, but then they put it right on dirt. Assuming there's a ton of worms underneath it, we're gonna flip this over and see how it looks. Not a lot of worms, but it's definitely rotten. Oh, he's got one. That's a snake. Right at the bottom, right at the bottom. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. There you go. Oh, that's a big guy. Oh, Oh, you got it. Good job.
Really?
Put it on your shoulder. There you go. Oh, did I hit you? I'm sorry. There's a balance to this, right?
Yeah, Misha and I are trying to find it together.
I like just opening things up, but
and I like a little bit of screening.
So at the same time, like, this is the road. We don't necessarily want to see the house itself.
And
give a little
also,
privacy.
like, we haven't necessarily seen the house like in spring when things bloom, so we should give some trees.
When there's like 5 of them right here,
like
those
this
two.
could go. This is kind of, or this is, yeah. Oh my
God. That one?
No, they're not attached. No!
I thought you said that one. The 3.
You're done. Get out of here. You're done. You're ruining the privacy. Misha, like, you don't want to see the house, dude.
So it's that time now where we're going to start leaf blowing. We're going to start on this side of the property, and because the wind is blowing this way, we're just going to move everything this way. All right, so everything is done, at least for the first part of it, but look how nice that looks now. And now we're kind of gonna get into the actual projects themselves. So the next project that we're going to tackle is, look how sick that looks. Just love the view that we can actually access here. But the next project that we're going to get into is going to be this garage. We're going to completely redo it. I mean, taking a look at it now that we can kind of see it better, the thing is rotten at some points. It's they used caulking, trying to silicone it in different points, and it's just going to get a huge facelift. So we're going to strip everything and then rebuild it. So it's going to be sick. So make sure that you guys are sticking around for that video, and I'll see you on that one.